Before you watch this video, I would like you to try the problem on your own. So this problem 5 mimics pretty much the same steps that we did in example number 4. It's just different numbers basically, but it's pretty much the same. So go ahead and pause the video for a minute and see if you can actually get these answers. And I'll explain them to you in a second. Okay, so pretty much the first one had a 10 and I decided to break it down to 2 times 5 and then use the product rule to separate the log of 2 from the log of 5, plug in the numbers. The next one was pretty straightforward. It had a fraction, 2/5, next to the log. So that means I could do the log of the numerator minus the log of the denominator. That was called the quotient rule. Then plug in the numbers and subtract. The third one had 16, which is the same thing as 2 to the power of 4. This is because 16 is 2 times 8, but 8 is 2 times 4, but then 4 is 2 times 2. So that means 16 is the same thing as 2 multiplied by itself 4 times in a row. And I like that choice because then I can move the 4, slide it to the front. So grab the exponent and move it to the front basically. And that's by using the power rule, which allows me to move the number to the front. The third, that was the third one. The fourth one says log of 5a. And if you don't notice, there's a product right there in the middle, and product means that I'm going to be using the product rule. So that's why I put a plus sign between the log of 5 and the log of a. Now for the log of a, and the base is a, I had to basically look at a rule which says log base a of ak is the exponent k itself. Okay, so that was the fourth rule I believe in the list. So that's what I did on part 4. And again, I use the same property on part 5. The difference here is I started first by erasing the square root and replacing it with 1/2. Okay, so hopefully that was clear. If not, go back and look at the video for example number 4. We did pretty much exactly the same things on this example.